Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will gonna give you another great recipe today. Today we're working with some fish, guys. Gonna make some nice crispy fried tilapia. So we're gonna deep fry these and I'm gonna have that with salad today, guys. That's for my dinner. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys quick spices that I'm using on the tilapia. Here I got a tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of onion powder, and I got a tablespoon of fish spice here, quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Guys, you need some spices on the tilapia. Gotta season these fish really well, and I got a half a teaspoon of black pepper there, half a teaspoon of dried thyme. All right, and over here I got 2 cups of flour and a quarter cup of cornmeal inside the flour, and here I got the exact same spices all mixed that's gonna go into the flour. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start out marinating the fish, and we're gonna get it in the Ziploc bag right here and let it sit in the fridge until we're ready to cook. All right, so let's get this going. So guys, I got a third of a cup of oil in this bowl right here, and I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice right in there. All right, that's about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and we're just gonna add all the spices right in here, the fish spice, the salt, and paprika going in right now. All right, we're just gonna marry all these spices right here, get them together. Just use a whisk, just whisk that all up nicely. Looking beautiful. So what we're gonna do, get a Ziploc bag. All right, just gonna fold it over nicely so don't get the edges all messed up. And we're gonna get these beautiful pieces of tilapia right inside. This is only 4 pieces. I cut them in half, all right? So we're just gonna get these right inside here. And then all this beautiful spices I got right here, we're just gonna dump it right on it. Get that all over there. Alright. Remove these gloves from my fish hands. I'm just gonna Ziploc that. I'm just gonna mix it all together. All the good flavors inside there, guys. And what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna put this right inside the fridge. Alright, you guys don't go anywhere. Put it at the bottom here. Alright, that's inside the fridge, guys. Now we're gonna get the flour. Alright, it's gonna go in the bag as well. Fold it over the same way. Right, just gonna dump this right inside here. So that's 2 cups of flour. It's not much fish, so you don't need no more than that. Dump all the spices in there. It's the same spices that goes on the fish that's in here. All right, let all the air out. And you guys, can't forget, I got the baking powder. There's a teaspoon of baking powder right here, going inside the flour as well. Ziploc that, shake that nicely. Make sure it's all mixed together. Beautiful. All right. So guys, as soon as that fish is marinated, we're gonna get it out and we're gonna get it into this flour, right into the fryer, and get our salad together. All right. Okay guys, so it's time to get this fish inside the flour. It's been marinating for about an hour. So right now, just gonna get it inside that flour right there. Alright. Just fold this over and get this fish out. Just gonna get them right inside the flour right there. Beautiful. Just gonna shake this nicely. Guys, it's time to get these fish inside here. They're looking lovely. They're not done yet. Just want to pack all of them right in here. Should be able to fit. It's a big fryer. Alright, I'm just going to drop these. They're looking beautiful, guys. These take literally no time to be done. Just gonna pull these out right now and put them in a rack to drain. These are beautiful, guys. Lovely pieces of fish. Look at that nice crispiness on the outside there. Just gonna let them drain right now. They're beautiful. Lovely pieces of fish. Came out nicely. Love it. Wow. Beautiful. I'll just show you guys what they look like. Bring it a little bit closer. Take a look at those fish. Alright, so guys, I'm just gonna get the salad together and we're gonna have some fish. Okay guys, so I'm fixing my salad right here. I'm gonna put two nice pieces of fish right on here. Got some avocado I got in the middle right there. Guys, this is lovely. Came out really nice. The fish is crispy. I'm just loving it. So just a light salad. I'm having with it some cucumbers, some tomatoes, avocado, a little bit of green leaf lettuce, mixed with some iceberg, a little bit of spinach, and some feta cheese. And I got some nice crispy sweet potatoes that I make right here. I'm just gonna put some right on it. This is a beautiful, simple salad to make, guys. Really simple. You guys can try this out at home. And these sweet potatoes, I just julienne these and you can use a mandolin to do the sweet potatoes. And I season the flour, shake them in there, and just throw them in the fryer for a few minutes. Really simple but delicious. All right, so guys, this is the beautiful salad right here. You guys can try it out at home with your fish. It's a simple tilapia, crispy tilapia fish salad right here, guys. And I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking and sharing the videos. Really appreciate all of you guys. Keep on showing the love. And I'll catch you in the next amazing